Hey guys, my name is Jared Manning. Me and my two brothers own a mobile detailing company here in Southern Utah. And one of the common questions that we get asked is how to remove the smoke odor from your car. So the previous owner of this car smoked, and there's still little bit hints of the smoke smell in this car. Smoke odor gets trapped deep within the fabric material of the car. And that's why it's so hard to remove. But we're gonna show you guys how to remove it. So the first step in this process is vacuuming. And this step is not just like a quick vacuum. We're gonna have to thoroughly vacuum the entire interior of the car. And that includes everything, like the mats, the floor, the seats, everything, all the hard to reach areas, everything. We're gonna have to thoroughly vacuum them. All right, now guys, we're gonna move to step 2, which is the carpet extraction. First, we saturate all the fabric with the Chemical Guys Fabric Clean. And this is diluted about 10:1. And then after that, we can either use a drill brush like this one, or you can just use a regular hand brush, just kind of depending on your preference. And then after we do that, then we use a carpet extractor. Used ones are pretty cheap. You can also just use the brushes and then wipe away with a microfiber towel if you don't have a carpet extractor. Okay guys, one thing that's really important not to forget is that the sealing is also fabric, and it will also capture obviously the smoke odor. So what we're going to be doing is using the fabric clean and just a brush. We aren't going to be using the extractor, but we are going to be using the first method. So now that we have carpet extracted and we just finished up all the little details of the interior clean, like the dashboard, the cup holders, cleaning all those up, we're gonna finish with an odor bomb, or the Air Refreshener from Meguiar's. And this is just like a final detail, the cherry on top, if you will, on a sundae. Everything that we previously did is the base. It's the most important part of removing all of the smoke smell from the fabric. And this is just gonna finish things off. Also, this is gonna be able to get into all of the small cracks, all the places that we were unable to reach with the carpet extractor. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna be turning on the AC on maximum airflow, and then it's already on filtering, so you want the filtering air going. Okay, so we're gonna pop this off, and then we're gonna just put it in the middle console. And then once we press this, we're just gonna close all the doors and leave it for 15 minutes. So right now, the odor bomb is running, the AC is going full blast, so it's just gonna circulate all the way through and make sure that all the odor is removed. So we've been letting it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now we're just gonna open up all the doors. It is pretty strong in here, the scent, summer breeze, but it is pretty strong, so that's why we're gonna open up all the doors, let some fresh air in. We just got finished up. Once again, the 3 steps of taking out the smoke odor from your car. First, you're gonna do a thorough vacuum, and then you're gonna carpet extract everything, all the fabric material. And then third is obviously the air bomb, the Air Refreshener from Meguiar's. If you liked this video, just give it a like and then comment below Any questions that you have. Also, we're going to be posting videos every other week. So if you want to educate yourself further on car detailing, if you're a detailer yourself or just like to keep your car clean, just follow us and you'll be able to keep updated on all those videos. See you on the next one.